We are taking a robotic arm that was purchased as a kit and we are modifying it.
What we did is we started with the robotic arm, which is just a bunch of servos and hardware, and what we had to do was basically write our own controller for it, which is basically so I can control on the computer and control with voice commands.
They are putting a robotic arm system together that ultimately will move onto a rover for a future proposal. And it's teaching them some concept of what teamwork is about, how to build an electromechanical system.
Now we're at the point where in a couple of days, hopefully we'll have the whole system working the way we want it to after 4 weeks of work. And it's cool seeing other people's work progress along with yours and being able to combine them and have your finished product.
Actually, it's been really helpful because we've got an electrical guy, we've got a lot of mechanical guys, we've got some computer guys, which didn't think about how important those people were. If we didn't have those computer science guys, we'd have an arm, but I don't know if it could do what we're trying to do.
I'm working on 3D printing and materials-based. If I'm not working upstairs on my own research, I can step in and be like, hey, I can do this in SOLIDWORKS and I can help you with this model or something like that. And then I end up helping because, hey, SOLIDWORKS modeling is pretty fun.
In the short 10 weeks that they have to be able to produce this project, they're learning how to take a team that never met anybody before and no one knew each other before they came here, bind themselves into a cohesive unit to be able to produce this project.
Our mentor, Matt, when he bought the arm, the idea was that it would be a stepping stone to further projects and more advanced projects, so we're kind of at the beginning right now. We're not going to finish whatever we do in 6 weeks. It's going to continue next year and years after in the Innovation Lab and hopefully be productive and be really useful and cool.